Hello friends, so today we will learn how to allow policy rule ACL in FortiGate firewall. Today we will learn another one which is address and service group based policy. So today we will learn how to create an address group and service group and how to allow the traffic using the address group and service group. So for that one, first we will check the internet access. So if we will go on that user PC, if we will try to access the internet, it is not happening. Okay. So we will go on the FortiGate and we will create the rule address and service space, and we will try to access the internet again. So here we will go on in that service. Here we will go in dashboard, and from the dashboard, if we will see under network, we will see the connections. So we don't have any session as of now here. Okay, so let's create the policy. So for that we have to go in policy and object. Then we have to first create the address group. So creating the address group, we need to go here. So creating the address group, first we need to create some address. So here we have created one. We will create the same, like if we have other addresses that we can create here, like 40.40.40.11 user. And we will create two address, and we will try to using both address, we will try to access the internet. Slash 32. Okay, so it will create one more address. So if you'll see, we have created two address. Now we will create a address group. Here we will give the address group name user 40, or we can give user 11 and 12. So like we are using like user 11 and 12, dot 11 and dot 12, so we are creating like that. You can use any username. We have to select that addresses. So we select both addresses. So if you want more address to create, you can just select here. Okay, so we have added both one, and now we have to click on OK. So here you can see one address group is created. Now we will create one service group here, and we will create one service. So here we will give that service policy here, and here we will give service. We are allowing the services for user 11 and 12 to access the internet. So we have given this name. So here to access the internet, you have to allow DNS. So we will select the DNS here, then HTTP and HTTPS, and it's, if you want to allow ping, you can allow ping as well, like if you want to check if like DNS ping or for that. Now we will click on OK. So here so here you can see that yes, now our service group is created. We have created the service group. Now we will go in the policy, and then a firewall policy, then we will create a policy. So if either we can create a policy, or like we can reuse that one. So I'm going to reuse that disabled one which we have created. So it is disabled. Now we will create like use that one. Like name will be same, like user 40 we have to allow. Incoming traffic interface will be same, outgoing interface will be same. Here we will remove this one. Now we will use that group, service group. So here we will take this one. So you can see here it has both user. So we selected that address group. Now we will in destination we will allow everything. In services we will select that service group. So service group is this one. So using that service group, we will allow the traffic, and we will try to check whether it is working or not. Like if any policy is there, so like this policy is there, and if we want to add any other user, simply we have to identify that group name, and we that address, and here we can create one more. Like if you want to create one more, you can create like user hyphen 40, and then 40.40.13 slash 32. And suppose it is new requirement, you can just create that address user 30. Now you have to go in service, here you have to add that one, like that you have to click here and user 40 here, you can see that is there. So your 13 user is also there, and you have to click on ok. So it will be in the policy. If you will see under the policy, here you can see now three user are allowed. So to test this ACL whether it is working or not, we will go on the user desktop, and we'll try to access the internet now. So if you will see, the internet is working fine. And if we will check here, so we will be seeing the hit count as well. So here you can see the hit count is increasing now. And if we want to see the session, that we can also see. So here if we will go in network, and here you can see that user is generating the traffic. So if we want to like test another user, so here we will go on this desktop again. Here we will go in command line. We will try to change that user IP address, and we'll test. So here we will go in network, and here we will go under this and property, then scroll down, we will click on this. Now we will change the IP to 111. So we have given another IP, and we will test this one. So we will click on ok. It will take some time. So we have changed the IP, and if we will try to see that IP address here, so you can see that IP is changed with 11. Now we will try to initiate traffic again. So if we will try to initiate the traffic, so like it is happening now, cisco.com. So you can see that site is opening, and if we will try to refresh here, so here you can see now the traffic is coming from 11 that's IP. And here you can see under that policy, here you will see that traffic is getting increased now. So we have tested two user 11 and 12. So any request like you are getting for that one, you can increase that. You add that address under this address group, and if any service you have request, you can add in that service group. So this way, like we can like minimize the ACL, we use the address group and service group. So that way it will like decrease that ACLs. So that is very useful, and usually we use in production like that service group and address group, and that fulfill our requirement. We are able to access the internet, and that's completed our task. And thank you for watching. So if you want me to create any other video topic, please do comment. We will create a topology for that one as well.